the figure below is made out of a square, which is here, and two quarter circle, which can also be known as quadrant. So what is the perimeter of the shaded part? Remember previously I told you all that you all can just shift your area around. For questions like this, right, you all cannot do it. Because when you shift your area around, you're trying to calculate total area. Now they're trying to calculate the perimeter. So perimeter, please do not do such things. Again, use the method that I taught you all. Go and use a highlighter. In this case, I'm using a marker. And go and highlight the portion. Okay, so this is part of it. They need to add this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this. And after you're done with this, go and label each of them, please. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you have done this, right, you will realize that how many quarter circumference do you have? This is a quarter circumference, right? Because the entire circle is called one circumference. And since this is only a quadrant, we call it a quarter circumference. 1 quarter circumference, 2 quarter circumference, 3 quarter circumference. Okay, so just write 3 quarter circumference. Okay, plus this one is quarter circumference, quarter circumference, quarter circumference, plus 1 radius and 2 radius, plus 2 radii. Radii will be the plural for radius. So teaching you English at the same time. Okay, so your 3 quarter circumference, right, will be 1 plus 3 plus 5, and then your 2 radii will be 2 plus 4. Let's find out 1 quarter circumference first. So 1 quarter circumference will be number 1. So this will be what? Sorry, oh my god, my throat is terrible. Got this couple of days. Woo! Okay. Now, quarter circumference, right? Remember the formula for circumference of a circle would be pi times d. And since we're only looking for a quarter, which is 1/4, right? Just take 1 quarter multiplied by pi times d. And they said leave your answer in terms of pi, so you do not need to put 22/7 or 3.14 over here. So 1 quarter multiplied by pi. What is the diameter? This is the radius, right? Okay, of a quadrant. Therefore, your diameter will be 2 times of this. So they already given your radius to be 10 cm. So your diameter will be 2 times 10, giving us 20. Okay, just this, go and get this figured out. This will be 5 pi. Okay, so each of them will be 5 pi. 5 pi, whoops, plus 5 pi, plus 5 pi. And what are the 2 radii? I told you all before, right? This is a radius, so it's plus 10, plus 10. So 5 pi, so 5 pi times 3 will be 15 pi, and 10 plus 10 will be 20. So this will be your final answer. You cannot simplify them any further. Do not go and take 15 pi plus 20 become 35. You cannot add 15 pi to 20 because they are both different things. Okay, you can't do it. Alright, this is the answer. So for the parents who are watching this, right, remember please, my method is really good. Okay, not bragging here, but like it's gonna remind your child. Highlight the portion, highlight all the portion, okay, label it, put it inside the working, and then go and figure out part of it first. Okay, add it up together. If not, right, I can tell your kid, right, it's gonna like, oh, this plus this plus this plus this plus this, then they're gonna start forgetting. Okay, maybe instead of adding 5 sides, they could add 4 sides or 3 sides. I'm quite sure you have seen it before. And I've seen it many times when I'm teaching my kids for like don't know how many donkey years. Okay, done.